Hey friends, today I'm going to discuss difference between let and where. So welcome to my channel Online Tutor Learning Made Easy. In this session we are going to discuss what is the difference between let and where. This let keyword has been introduced by the introduction of ES6 in 2015. Earlier in the JavaScript, when ES5 was there in 2009, from 2009 to 2000, before 2015, we were using this where keyword for the declaring variables. So friends, I am going to discuss today what is the difference between let and where keyword. So friends, here I am going to create a variable with let keyword. Let num1 and friends, I am now going to define a block here, and again I am going to define let num this time 9, and I am going to print this. Num here, num copy, and again try to access this num variable that has been defined within this block. As you can see clearly that I am trying to access this num variable that has been defined within this block outside this block. So friends, here you can clearly see that it is saying that num is not defined. For more clarity, I can write here value of num in outside the block. And here you can see we are able to access the value of num inside the block, but it is throwing error outside the block, whose scope is limited to the block in which the variable has been defined. If we try to access that variable outside the block, it will throw an error that is not defined. So we can say that the let keyword is associated with the nearest enclosing block. Whereas friends, if you try to define the same thing with where keyword, then you can easily see that there will be no error encountered. Yeah, you can see clearly that we have defined the num variable inside this block with by var keyword. Then it can be easily accessible within the block and outside the block. So this is the main difference between this let and var keywords. Friends, I'm going to tell you one more difference. We can define the same variable again and again with var keyword, as I will show you. Var, I can define num, var again, I can define num again, its value is 10, and I can access its value very easily, and it will print the last value that I have assigned to this value. You can see 10 gets printed with the friends, but with in case of let, if you try to define the same variable with let keyword again and again, then it will throw an error. As you can see, it is throwing an error. Identifier num has been already declared. So friends, with let keyword it is not possible to define variable with same name within the same block. You can define with let keyword variable with the same name with two different blocks. So friends, this is the main difference between let and var keyword. I hope you have a better understanding about let and var keywords in this session. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. You can also hit like button. If you dislike, if you have no clear idea what I tried to convey in this video, then you can write me in the comment section. I will answer your all questions. So friends, to watch this kind of stuffs, please subscribe my channel, push the bell icon so that notification will be received by you, and share this video as much as possible for you so that other get benefited from this video. Goodbye friends.